In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom sort for a bar chart by month and year in Power BI. As we step through this process, you'll discover how to effectively organize your data visuals to make your reports more intuitive and informative. Let's kick things off by creating a sortable column. In Power BI, sorting your bar chart by both month and year can be a challenge, especially if they're not in consecutive order or formatted the way you like. First, we need to create a new column in your data table that will help serve as the base for our sorting needs. Open your Power BI desktop and navigate to the data view. You should see your tables listed there. Select the table containing your dates. Now click on the Modeling tab up top and choose New Column. Here, you'll use DAX, which is Power BI's powerful formula language, to create an index or a composite of month and year that enables proper sorting. Once you create the sortable column, it's time to actually sort it. Now that we have our newly established column, we'll need to set it as the sorting basis for the appropriate visuals. This updated column could be something like year month, created through concatenating the year with the month number. You'll want to make sure it's formatted correctly. Verify there's no duplication or errors in this new column. Head over to the data view again, select the new column you just worked on, and then under the column tools, use the sort by column feature, choosing your newly created year month column. This step makes sure any visual referencing this field will now be sorted according to this custom order. With the sortable column sorted, we can apply the custom sort order to your existing bar chart visual. Go over to your report view where your dashboard is set up. Identify the bar chart you want to work on, right-click on it if necessary, or simply select it to access its options. Ensure your x-axis, which typically holds the time sequence, is set to utilize this new year-month column. This should realign the data bars in the sequence defined by your sortable column. You can adjust other settings like changing the sort direction from ascending to descending depending on your preference. Check your visual and make sure it conveys the information as intended, effectively showcasing any trends or patterns over time. And there you have it, a neatly customized sort for your bar chart by month and year in Power BI. This method not only organizes your data better, but enhances its accessibility and the overall storytelling capability of your dashboard. Practice it a few times, and soon it'll become second nature whenever you're tasked with creating dynamic and insightful reports. Thanks for tuning in, and happy reporting with Power BI.